Much of the Helena area saw wind gusts of over 80 miles per hour on Wednesday, leaving homes and structures without power and some without roofs and walls.
That was horrendous. That was terrible.
A feeling Mary Mills has never experienced from her 12 years in her Helena Valley neighborhood.
Then I looked and I saw his roof go flying off. And it hit the side of her house there.
Neighbors rallied together and parked a truck on top of the roof to hold it down until the wind dies down. But the crumbled roof is not the only thing the wind left behind.
It was just filling every place, all the debris. And I thought, oh my gosh.
A neighborhood covered in mounds of insulation from a house with no roof. And over off of Lincoln Road, another structure saw severe damages.
It was lifting the whole barn up off its side.
The Monroe family rushed to the barn to get all of their valuables out and make sure their animals and neighbors were safe.
Felt like we were just being sandblasted.
Deb Monroe and her husband say this is the worst wind they've endured in their 20 years on their property.
Spent the morning picking up 24-foot sheets of metal, 3 neighbors down.
And although many in the community have lost so much in the storm, the damage has brought the community together.
That tree just came down on top of a truck that was driving.
And then, you get all these people that within 15, 20 minutes are at your house. Everybody's trying to help you and help you save everything you worked your whole life for.
Reporting in Helena, Madeline Heath, MTN News.